Kia ora. I hope you're using the conjunction, the phrase of the week that I used last week, which was nō reira, meaning so or therefore. And this week I've got another one for you, another conjunction as promised, because I love conjunctions. This one means however. Now you might be looking at this one and thinking, oh, that's going to be pretty hard because there's 3 vowels in a row, but don't worry, e or e, e or e. You just pronounce them and then glide them together. Heoi, heoi anō, heoi anō, heoi anō, heoi anō, however. So I'll think of a place that we might be saying that. So we can use English words and just put this conjunction in between. Maybe I would be saying, oh, I planned to get there at 10 a.m. Heoi anō, my car broke down. Nō reira, I didn't arrive till 5 p.m. So that's saying, I planned to get there at 10 a.m. However, my car broke down, so therefore I didn't get there till whatever the time was. I said I can't remember now. But we'll just concentrate on one a week. So if you've got nō reira, then you can do what I did and add them together. But if you want to, you can just stick with this one and really consolidate it for the week. Hopefully you're enjoying conjunctions, and I'll have another one next Monday. Ka kite.